Alright folks, I just wanted to share this video with you and this little announcement here. I have a brand new mini course here available. It's called How to Use a Wah-Wah Pedal. This is actually culled and compiled from some videos that I've released on YouTube a while back, years ago. And I've been wanting to re-release these, and I figured why not just make a mini course out of it, and then maybe, hopefully, later on, do some updates to it, since everything has changed in the last, 10 years or so since I've actually done this video, or these videos. There's 2 modules right now, and in the course curriculum, and there's loads of little bonus features in here as far as like some examples of solos and examples of other people using wah pedals in their songs to help you better understand how to use wah pedal to be more expressive in your playing. Okay, so you can go to ericbeatty.com/store to be able to find this, and it will be available. And right now you can take advantage of my Christmas sale, which is available until the end of the year. This should show a discount through it. I don't know why it's not doing that. I'll have to check that, but it's available now. How to use a wah-wah pedal. Please check it out, and I hope to see you on the inside.